Hey, tow trucker, we're back. I got a clip I'm fixing to drop here of a close friend of mine. I've been knowing Todd Fouts for many years. I grew up with him, but he's got a car he rebuilt and that he's had since he was a teenager. Anyway, he over the years he's built up some extraordinary skills. He's one of the most skilled people you'll ever meet. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this clip of his Mustang. That's awesome. Hey, I can pull forward if you want. Yeah, it's clear. Cut it this way. Hey, cut it this way, just a hair. Anyway, we just pulled back in on a second run over here. I just pulled two off this property. And we get back over here for some more. I think they got at least three or four more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get loaded up right now. What's going on, man? Huh?
My car.
Yeah.
I live here.
I know, man. You got stickered.
I live here, dude.
I understand, man, but hey, let me shut this off where I can talk to you.
Can I call the office?
Man, listen, man. But hey, basically, I'm hooked to the car. And I'm not trying to pick you, it's anybody, man. I do everybody the same. It's just how I tow. When you get hooked, man, you got to pay it out. It's hooked. If you don't believe me, I can cut the truck back on and winch it on right now. And if it wasn't, no, if it's $100.
Yeah, we shouldn't.
Well, it's. Listen, if it wasn't hooked, come out here before by law. If it's not hooked, I give you the opportunity to drive it off. And I'm sorry, it's just what I do, man. You know what I'm saying? I tow cars.
Call the office?
Well, you can call him, man, but listen, hey, tell you what they've done. They waited an extra week. They gave y'all an extra week to talk to him. And I understand the situation completely, man, because this is what I do. And I'm not trying to be harsh. You can grab your phone, but you're going to have to pay it out. Like I said, it's a $100 payout. You can do it with a card or however you want to do it. Or you can have somebody call it in if you want. Yeah. Okay. Appreciate it, man. I'll drop it. I ain't gonna tow it. You ain't gotta worry about it. I'm fixing to unhook it. Anyway, have a good one, man. Sorry you got towed. It's just what I do, bro. I'm glad you were here. At least you didn't lose a car. Yeah, have a good one, man. Anyway, he wasn't real happy about it, but he paid it out. That was really his only choice. If he had the money, was to pay it out. Otherwise, you wind up paying more. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next one. I'm sure I got some more on this property. I'm going here and hook some more, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, we got a call over here. We got to move a couple of cars around, and we also got to do some impounding over here at this place.
doing, man?
Well, we can get some cars out of the way.
Okay.
I have one dump truck backing down. I'll get him out of your way. We got, I think, 3 right here, 3 or 4. One in front of my distributor, and some on here.
These are not going to be easy either. Anyway, it appears these people won't. These people are refusing to move their cars in the middle of a construction project. This property should be impounding these cars, not paying us to move them. Every property's different, and if they want to pay, we'll charge them. It don't matter. Anyway, moving these cars like this, that's number one. I moved that Benz 4MATIC. Now I got to do this impounding right here. Doing this kind of moving right here, moving these cars, especially newer ones. It's real easy to damage these cars. That's why I video it. You got to be real careful. Yeah.
They told them to park there.
Who told them to? I
The
mean,
construction people.
well, listen, there ain't nobody told them to park there. They need to move them. You know both of them?
I know one. I know this
Well,
one.
look, listen, you see what they're doing. They're doing the whole
Yeah,
section.
that's what I said. And so I don't know why they told him to park there.
Somebody misunderstood it.
Okay.
But yeah, they
I'ma
fixing
get
to move them
I'm
right now.
I'm gonna get them right now.
Both
Literally,
these?
One of them. That one right there, with the Philly tags.
Okay.
I'm gonna get them moved right now.
These signs right here, all these signs right here clearly say that they're going to be doing construction and paving this road right here. Everybody that lives here knows about it. It's hard to miss all the trucks here.
Appreciate you, man. Hey, have a good one, brother.
That was one of my subscribers. He recognized me. That's cool. Anyway, like I said, I ran into a subscriber on. He flagged me down, and asked me. He was driving a Shepherd paving truck. That's the company we're here for. We've been hauling. We do a little help them do projects they work on. They're a decent sized company. Anyway, he recognized me, and I took some pictures of him on put him on my channel. But it's always cool to meet people that like my channel. And it's not something I ain't trying to be no famous guy. I'm just a tow truck driver. It's just what I do. Hey, how you doing? This is the tow guy. I just pulled in. Hey, where's the Cavalier? And I don't know where the office is at. Last time I was here, over here, the office was on the left-hand side, I believe. Pull in. Okay. I made that right, but I can come around this way too, I think. Okay. A white Cavalier. Just sitting right in the middle of the street. Yeah, sitting right in the middle of the driveway. brakes off. Anyway, this girl that owns this car, she got pulled over by APD or State Patrol, one of the two. That tag ain't legit. She didn't have a license or something, but she didn't get arrested, so that's a good thing for her. At least she didn't get locked up. But she did lose her car because they wouldn't let her move her car again without having a license or insurance tag and all that stuff. Either way, it's just what happens. I'll pull up here in front of the office, sign it out, and strap it down, and I'll go ahead and roll to the yard. At least she, like I said, at least she didn't go to jail. That's a good thing. But anyway.